All right, guys, time for the next break of the day. It's the last break here on Mojo Break Baseball. It is our third Bowman Baseball Jumbo 4-box break, random team style, number 3. Let's go to the randomizer to determine which teams everybody's getting. We're going to roll the dice first. Snake Eyes defaults to 3. 6, 7, 8, 9 times in the randomizer. So we're going to start with the teams. The A's Nationals is a paired up team. The Braves Cardinals. And we're going to go 9 times into the randomizer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Angels down to the Reds. Later. And now your names. We have Rob Belger up to Gabriel. Again, we're going to go 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here are your teams. All right, there it is. Let's zoom it in. There we go. Those are your teams. You've got 5 minutes to make a trade. We'll close off trades at 5:38 Pacific time, 8:38 Eastern time. Make sure to put your zip code into the chat. Both parties involved, put your zip codes into the chat to confirm that you've made a deal. 38, or make it 39 past the hour. 39 past the hour, we will close trades.